Total curfew tawna COVID ki case hantharakaba asi yenglага tangai fadaba thabak thoram khara komthoklaga makhatana curfew sangdoknaba ngasi technical committee gi mifam pangthoklagani. Tokyo Olympic 2020 da silver medal lawraklabi Saikho Mirabai Chanuda additional SP gi post piragani. Olympian judoka Likmabam Susilana SI da promotion piragani. Mirabai gi guidance makhada weightlifting academy amasu lengakna hangdoklagani haina Chief Minister N. Biren Fongdokre. Wafam asing Porompata Hauzik Sakaliba 20 KL cryogenic liquid medical oxygen plant Amadi Kiamgaida Sakaliba COVID hospital Yangsin Bachatpada Chief Minister N. Biren Fongdokibani. Porompat ki Zenium's campus Manungda Sagaliba 20 KL cryogenic liquid medical oxygen plant Yangsin Bachatpa Aduga Mari Lenana Chief Minister N. Biren Hai COVID Lightjet ki Fibam Asi Laksinaba Lengak na Hotnaba Lepte. Lengak na Paikalak Liba Tabak Thoram Singda Miyam na su support tauri. Adubu Miyoi section Karadi COVID Kitchet na Kangnon Asi Mapungfana Ngak Tabagi Mamitai. Masi Ekoyi Laibak Tibani. Asigumba Fibam Asi Yenglaga Hauzik Tham Liba total curfew Asi Tabak Thoram Karada Komthoklaga Makhatana Thamnaba Ngasigi Mifamna Kanagani. Hauzik Sagaliba 20 KL cryogenic liquid medical oxygen plant ki matangda palladuna Chief Minister N. Biren Hai plant asigi ayamba saruk loisilakle plant asi yauna Ukhrul Senapati Chandel amadi Zenimski COVID water Sagaliba PSA plant ani asi lakliba July ge tang kuntra matoi fawbagi manungda sanganaba hotnari.
Curfew numitarani full curfew public se phajana cooperation pe si bhawbo de koi 100 gi maram factor se karino aina koi na thiba kanda police na yum di changlam damina lekai da group phambi group to bi se dum to ba ekoi na su police ta ekoi da social media da kai da thagalakpa khara gai di se nahan ma khurai da Amazon gi ne he Amazon gi pot yon ba kangbu ne he gari do he ta kun thanu pan thama manung da pulap phamle sugumba de marup sana bani hai gumba sugumba yamna ekoi gi public sing da khara roi pak na te ko khara da lai ri aduna curfew si sam tangai fadaba pot khara khak relax tawraga tang sangtok sira madugi khoi technical committee ngasi evening phanguni ngasi evening phammaga consultative committee phammakanda karamai toksigi habado step loke hojiki laiba train se khoi komthokpa yadaba oxygen gi si fit tamdaba yadaba aduna masi khoina sanga ge khale si 1000 gi ama janim se laire ko 1000 kl gi si 2000 kl ni aduna masi sima sangara gadi masi khoina target tawrisi by 31st this 31st is a sangage khale si simane ade ukrul da psa mane 200 cylinder per day da hanbe ba ukrul da mane senapati da mane chandil da mane sigi ahum sine sigi asobo si mane aduga jenims da covid block da psa ani
Parliamentary Secretary Oiramba MLA Singi Mathakta Pukhalakpa disqualification case ka mari lenana Paumi Singna hangba wahang amagi paukhim piduna Chief Minister N. Biren Hai disqualification gi wafam asi asangba process amani Parliamentary Secretary ga mari lenaba wafam singdi Governor Natana kanagumba amatana warep lawba yade masi ekhoina munna khangba changi haina su Chief Minister N. Biren makhataki
ning kari lakada ge haibadi koi haibadi ngamde but sidai the merit ma social media bu khana rasu ngang bo ngang asu haibo hairasu merit to base of dunitra merit means in written constitution na kari hairi ges constitution na hairi si parliamentary secretary ga case mari laiba poche governor natana masidai da decision lobo yate Supreme Court of Taurusu, Amanamatorosu, Governor, the instructor, Caneva. Governor signature is based on the report from the Election Commission of India. The Election Commission of India, the high report, cannot disqualify the Bumthuki and already lacre. Laka and the Hujiki Honorable Governor Gimagi process, MLA putting the Magi notice, Tadan, Cotton, and Nogi, Hypum Topokari, and Magi process to the Buani. The Election Commission, they already made the other Ugredna. She qualified to Bumtokten. Election Commission of India is an autonomous body. Adagamo Supreme Court ki President, Judge Mangagi President Lai. Madu governor da director aga amna governor na he governor da lani ga de governor na MLA mayamdu kau khotna magi explanation tawkini adi governor gi order pirani governor gi order pira matung de yaningdra ga mo high court sakani high court gi do yaningdra ga nam supreme court sakani so process se duki matik leiri haibani da
Zenims ki campus manung da paikhatliba oxygen plant yengsilaba matung Kairao Assembly constituency ki manung channa leiba Kiam gaida sagaliba famung chani leigadaba COVID hospital gi fibam su Chief Minister N Birena yengsinki Tokyo da zathariba Olympic Games asida saruk yariba Manipur gi sanaroi manga gi matangda Manipur gi Chief Minister N Birena hai weightlifting masana da silver medal loduna India gi medal account hangkivi Saikhomira bai chanuda Manipur police ki additional SP gi fam piragani loinana mahaki lamjing amasung pautak makhada malemgi thakta leigadaba weightlifting gi academy amasu Manipur lengakna hangdoklakani Tokyo Olympic Games asida saruk yakhibi judoka Susila Chanulik mabam dana Manipur police da SI gi fam lanthok lagani loinana lemhoriba sanaroi ahum adugidi makhoi gi masana loiraba matungda lengakna warip laurakani haina Chief Minister N Birena makhataki
So the government has decided to reward rupees 1 crore to Mirabai Chanu who got these silver medals in the weightlifting and she will be employed here. She will be employed. She will be given the additional SP rank to the state police. Additional SP sports. This post will be given to her, and she will be promoted. That's Susila, that Olympian of the judo, she also will be promoted from constable to SI. She will be promoted from constable to SI. But other 3 participants were not getting their result now, but after seeing their achievement in the ongoing the Olympic Games, we will decide for them. But one more thing is the state government has decided to establish one world-class weightlifting gym center here in the state. The government has decided that whatever may be the cost might be hardly 5-10 crores, but even the world-class weightlifters academy will be open here in Manipur, and the main course will be this Mirabai Chanu.
Yengsin Khongsat aduga mari leinana Chief Minister N Birena hai Manipur lengak amasung DRDO na chada yankhai puthoknaduna sagatlipa ICU gi famung yankhai yauba hospital asi mathang thagi tang taradagina taramanga faubagi manungda sabaloi sinduna miyamda khusinanaba hotnaragani Manipur miyamgi damak yenglaga DRDO na lauriba thodang asi hainingai leitana thagatli hauzik yumda chatuna mass testing gi akanba drive ama satharakpa asina COVID-19 positive oibagi chang asi wangkhalakpani masida miyamna mi paiba tobiganu lokhalakliba khongthang asina miyamgi mamal yamlaba punsi kanbada hena mateng oiragani mahakna makhatana hai COVID-19 positive oiduna home isolation tauriba sing asi community COVID care center da oina thamlagani masigi damak lengakna warep ama laure khongthang asi lokhanaba local MLA amadi club singda khangan bahokre naungna lingadawriba center sing asida nomagi chaklen lengakna DC amadi CMO singi khuthangda fanghangani haina su Chief Minister N Birena makhatana phongdokhi
First of all, I would like to appreciate the DRDO officials and the workers who were here. When the mass testing some positive rating hangalakani aduga miyobigi life kan badi koi kumang saksalani ngamgani aduna koi ngarang koi decision lor kanda COVID care centers community COVID care center na taba CCC na taba community COVID care center haidana community singi yum da home isolation da lebe ado ngarang ai am ngai taba ma discussion nam khaktai discussion indu dai da ai koi gi party magi spokesperson ne haimana ngang idu सरकार ना होम आइसोलेशन द लई हारमिना लेटिन लगे पुनगे पुल्लू पुल्लू तो युम मचा लगे ले तो लई हारमिना होम आइसोलेशन द लईरे अखोइना सी द पुगे हाइबदा यादरे गाइना रोंग एलिगेशन नम तवे अइना मसी मयाम दा अइना हाइनिंग मसी खनद्रिङै ngangnadriङै दा प्रजाना गभर्नमेन्ट करी हाइगे से मुनमुन ताबि गभर्नमेन्ट हाइबसी होम आइसोलेशन से टॉयलेट सेपरेट लेटबा का सेपरेट लेटबा अदुदि अखोइ होम आइसोलेशन सि लैबिनु टॉयलेट बाथरूम सेपरेट लेबंगamba अदुगा का सेपरेट लेबंगamba अदुम बोरगदि होम आइसोलेशन सि लैबियु हाइबनि अखोइना हाइबसी